Happy New Year, everyone. Uh, yeah, as far as Rubik's Cubes go, I got quite a few for Christmas. Some people might recognize this cube I posted it on Google Plus. The iCube, which you have to get one of each sticker. I think there are nine types of stickers in total, and you have to get one of each on all the 6 sides. I've thought about it, and it's similar to the Sudoku cube. And as you can see, my brother spared me the labor of scrambling it. And in the process, giving me a lot more labor for now I have to solve it. So, yeah, that was from my cousins back in America, and also from my cousins, this nice sparkly Rubik's Cube. I don't know where it's from. This is the only copyright notice of any kind. Green Breer International. The iCube, made by a company called Westminster Inc. The iCube turns pretty good for the most part. Ooh. Oh, that's very nice. A little checkerboard pattern. It's in the checkerboard pattern. The sparkly effect is really nice. Yeah, and from the big guy himself, Santa, and the Rubik's Race. I'd like to take this moment to give a little shout out to Red KB. Go and check out his channel. He has a video of him playing this game with his wife. I'm not going to take this out of the box. It'd take a while to assemble. Yeah, I have taken it out and played it with both of my parents. It's a pretty good game. So that's Christmas for you. And that's Rubik's Cubes for you. Once again, Happy New Year.